here, and today we are going to give a tutorial on how to build a cruise ship. So I don't really do tutorials, and if I ever did, it wouldn't turn out awesome. So I'm going to just test it out, see if it works, and if it does, then yeah, I'll be happy. So building a cruise ship is very hard. I have a few I'll just call them sketches right now of how I want this ship to be. And you can see all of them are smaller than ships that I usually build, because I don't want a giant ship. So let's get straight into the video, and yeah. So for part one, we're going to start off with the bow. You're going to need a block called a structure block, and basically if you're looking this way, you want to build, you want to start building out from here, where the red is, and the blue out from here. It's kind of confusing, but, here, I'll just keep this in the background. So put this up. So, basically the structure block is a, way to copy and paste on Bedrock, because I do not have Java. So yeah, so basically you want to set a marker to indicate how you're building. So I guess this could be the underhull, and I guess we could use a water marker. So do concrete like so. So something like that. You want this to be free, because it will if it's 2, then once you're building, it doesn't give you a lot of space. So make it a block taller, and then this is going to be crew. Also, I just want to point out this tutorial won't include an engine room, because in my opinion, I think they're too complicated to build, so I'm not going to include it. So this is also going to be crew. I guess we could start staterooms then. Staterooms. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Rooms. And then finally, entertainment, or lobby. So this is honestly a pretty easy marker. And then what I do is I usually want to make my ship semi-big for this size. So basically just copy this 1 down in the middle like this, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 across, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hold on, let me count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so this is correct. I meant 11, because this middle point is 12. But we're going to flip it in the middle like this, so hopefully that makes sense. And then the structure block, you can put dab there. And make sure the red is going across like that, and if it is, then you are good to go to start the tutorial. So I'm usually just going to start with 2 blocks like that, 2 blocks like that, 1, and then start going out by like this. And keep on doing this pattern until you get to the marker point, when I'm actually gonna do this, like so. Yeah, that's about right. Okay, this is good. So hopefully you guys followed that. So now that it's evenly, now we can start on building the actual bow. So, yeah. So we'll start on the underhull later, but we'll do the bow now. Just delete, actually no. Yeah, delete these blocks right here. So, oh my gosh. Make it more of like this. Yeah, that looks better. Okay. Sorry about that. So first you're just going to want to start to do a 45-degree angle. You go to bow. Okay, and then once around here, you don't want to go straight down like this because it doesn't look good. Instead, you want to put it forward like this, and I'm actually going to put the blue here for the underline. So, hold on. These aren't matching, are they? Making sure again. Okay, they are matching, never mind. Okay, and then you want to do the same thing. Also, sorry if I'm doing this slow. You guys can speed up the video or slow it down because I made doing it fast. So basically, once you get to right here, to where it goes like that, you're gonna want to do 2 blocks. So like this. Let me just fix that. And a simple solution for this gap is just filling it in. So this is a good start. And then continue the pattern on this part. So just do it 2 forward like this, from the indent like that, and then should be good to go. So once it gets to here, so this gets confusing, so I'll break a few of these blocks. So you want it to go down like this. Okay. And then you can, actually no, I'm messing up on my own build. So basically, you just want to kind of go overlap it. Like that. And then for this one, it's pretty similar. Just do this. So, yeah. Oh, and the blocks that you'll need is wool. You can use quartz if you want to. I just like using this. So now you can already see that it's starting to make shape, and to make the shape look more, I'm gonna call it flexible, just start doing that, and then place another indent right there, and then now that it's starting to do the 2 movement, just make it like that. Okay, so already we're starting on this bow. I'm actually doing this pretty fast. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now, all you have to do is do this. This is the easy part, so basically you just follow the lines. So you keep on doing it, like, just go over it and then go down once it ends. Now, okay, we're good so far. I'll tell you guys. Actually, should I do it now? Okay, so now that it's starting to get bigger, you want it to be now like this, and then you can continue it. So it's kind of, the bow's just getting bigger. And that will happen when you're building a ship. It's just, it gets annoying at times. Especially mistakes. But yeah, and then for this part, you kind of want to continue this, like, yeah, like this. And I think now is a good time to do it. So what I mean is, so when you're continuing this pattern, once you get to this blue line, instead of this 2, you want it to be 3. So you can kind of see the difference there. It will make your bows look 10 times better. And what I mean by 10 times better, I mean by 10 times better. So let's continue the pattern. Okay, that needs to be like that. Also, if you guys are confused, like I said, please pause the video. Okay, so yeah, it's starting to space out, what's fine. Some ship builders do not like it like that, but I actually love it. It makes it look more, I'm gonna say the word again, flexible. So, yeah. Now, if you see, it's kind of making shape now. Again, make sure this is free, and then you should be good to go to continue the pattern. So again, this is very tiring after doing this over and over again, but want a good ship? Yeah. So I'm gonna make this ship like semi-big. So in the next part, what will probably be out tomorrow. I have school though. On the following, I have school on Monday, and it's Friday right now. I had off today, so that was nice. I will probably post one tomorrow, and maybe one on Sunday, but I'm gonna give it a break, and then we'll probably finish the exterior by the, I would say, next week, I'll upload the new parts. So this is already looking really good, taking shape. We also have to do the underhull, what I'm actually deciding to do on this part. We're also going to do some of this upper deck detailing, because if you do that, it will look really good. And yeah, this is going to be really basic ship though, so it's not going to be like Icon of the Seas or some of those newer ships, like what's a really modern ship? Oh, that looks really good. So yeah, it should turn out like this. It's, hold on 1 second, I want to see if my other bow is the same size. Yeah, it is. Okay, that's good. Sorry about that. Am I still recording? Yes, I am. Oh, we're only in 14 minutes. So we still have time to do lots of detailing and lots of stuff. So I was stressed out if we were like on the 20-minute mark, but we aren't. And so I'm quite proud of myself. So let's start the underhull. So you're gonna need this block and then just the staircase and the slab version of it. So like that. And basically, when building the underhull, what I do is what's a blue slab that I can use? Because I don't usually do that, as in here. So I usually do this like that when it first goes in, and then I'll do like a staircase there, and then back down, and then down again. Does that look fine? I think it does. Okay, and then hold on, I'm just making sure to bow. Okay. Let's see how this looks, because this could look really terrible. I'm actually kind of liking it. So basically, for more shape, just do this staircase and then slab, staircase, and let's do 2 slabs. Yep, staircase and 2 slabs. There, staircase, staircase, staircase. Oh, this is actually much bigger than I was expecting. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, and then staircase, staircase, staircase other way, and then slab, slab. Oh, I am actually really liking this. So basically, to start the next part, just gonna want to do 2 down, forward like that. So something like this is fine. Honestly, it's your ship. Hold on. Sorry about that. Like I said, it's your ship. You can do whatever you want to it. So I'm just gonna put some detail in it. So this is about good. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay. Yep. And then for this, I'm just gonna do 2 down, 2 down, and then like that. So it will. Oh, and we also have to do the bow thrusters. So basically, here, let's get that out of the way. And what should we use? What staircase? I'm gonna use that. Actually, no. I mean, I would. I'll use that, and then I needed the actual normal block of it. Smooth. Okay. So basically, when you're building these, you want it here. Let's put it right around here. Now, actually, now I would build it there, but I'm not going to, because it appears that there's not enough space. So we're just gonna do it for the next row right here, and that's honestly better in my opinion. But first, let's just put this to like that. Honestly, the size of this ship, I think, it only needs like 2 bow thrusters. So basically, you just want staircase, staircase. Yeah, let's move this up a little bit. Sorry that I'm keep changing my mind, but it happens when you're building the ship. So something like this. Okay. So something like that, and then for this one, there. So now you're gonna want wool like this, and then just circle it around like that. Okay, and then you're gonna want this. It's gonna look so good after this. So if you guys don't know what a bow thruster is, it basically just maneuvers the ship a little bit. So there, and there, and then there, and there. Okay, so there's the first one. You want it to look something like that. Again, it can be different. No one's stopping you. And honestly, that does look pretty good. Honestly, now that I'm starting to think about it though, here we need to. That's fine. Something like that. Okay, and then just, you know the drill. Do another one right here. Except, oh, actually for this one, since the ground is going to be right here, I honestly forgot about that. Or the bottom of the ship. This is going to be like that. Okay, and then okay, and then again, boom, 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 oh, boom. There we go. So, now that you have those bow thrusters done, that was huge doing now. Just place some, just to make it more realistic, and then let's finish it off just by repeating this. Hold on, and then add a stair there. That's the only stair you need. It just, because of the bow thruster, it makes it a little odd. I don't know if I said this, I believe I did, but this is not going to have an engine room. So you may be like wondering why build it under hull. Anyways, because it looks good, and yeah. How are we doing on time? Let's see. 23 minutes. That's crazy. Oh. We might have a little bit of time to do the top deck too. That's honestly insane. Okay, so this is starting to turning out pretty good. And usually, honestly, I might start doing this. Like, it's kind of fun building and talking at the same time. And time goes by way slower. What may be like sounding like a bad thing, but it honestly isn't. It's kind of fun like that. Okay, so honestly, that looks really good. Okay, so this is actually turning out pretty good. One more to go. Oh, so delete all this right here, and then just move this forward, and then delete this one too. This happens when building ships, and then that one. So now it's starting to form shape into an actual underhull. Okay, so yeah, let's do the top little. Actually, no. Actually, yeah, let's do it because I have time left. We can use smooth. Actually, no, we're gonna use wood. So basically, want to make this more smooth, so that made it look 10 times better. Just do that out like this, and then go in like that, and then in like that, and then this. Okay, and then yeah, put that there, and just start placing the wood filled in. Again, this is going to be really basic because this is a basic tutorial, but yeah. Oop. Okay, this is actually a bigger bow than I expected, what isn't a bad thing. It's actually pretty good. So these white spots right here, all I do is get a staircase, what I do not have, but I'm just going to steal one from this ship and fill it in. But actually I'm going to leave it like this, and I'm just going to build it out like this, and then I'll fill it in with this. So it looks a little bit like that. And then you're going to want this with a iron bars, and then basically just for the front of the bow. This is I believe it's a secondary anchor, if I'm correct. So yeah, that's just it. And then we could even add like a pool here, a crude pool, obviously. So yeah, hold on. There we go. And then to even make it look better, put iron bars here. There we go. And then put this up. Okay, and then it's finally time to flip. So all I do is, since we have all this stuff ready, get the structure block and set the height to 64. And this to the blue to 64. So now we already have that. And then this is when the 12 comes in handy. So just put 12 there. So now we have an overall structure. And you can name it whatever you want, but I name it Bob because it's a easy name to remember. And then press save. And then once you go over here, do Bob load and then Z. And it should mirror on the other side. And yeah, that's basically it. It mirrored the top, and it mirrored this side. So yeah, this is part 1. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this helps you guys while building a ship. See ya.